Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn the letter W. Can you say W?
W.
Wonderful! Look carefully. Big W is written like this. W. And small w is written like this. W. Big W and small w. W and W. W is for whale. A whale is the biggest animal in the ocean. Do you like whales? W is also for watch. A watch tells us the time. Tick-tock. What time is it now? And W is for watermelon. A watermelon is big, green outside and red inside. Juicy and sweet. Let's say the words slowly together. Whale, watch, watermelon. Excellent! Now, trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big W. Down, up, down, up. Again. Down, up, down, up. Can you clap 3 times and say W? 1, 2, 3. W. The letter W is wonderful. You learned big W, small w, and words like whale, watch, and watermelon. Next time, we will meet the letter X.
Wow!
Bye-bye, kids!